This video is AI generated. Nothing you see is real. Please don't try at home.
What is good, Chai YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm not even gonna lie, man. I'm looking rough, but I'm about to give you guys some POV in the 63. Look at this thing. It's so clean, bro. I just finished cleaning the car, bro. Like, I hate generally having a dirty car. But now I'm in the 63. But I set this thing up for y'all. Woo! Woo! Yeah, honestly, y'all let me know if y'all ever seen a wetter C63. Cause honestly, when I was shopping for this car, when I was looking for this car, I didn't even know they made it with white carbon fiber, y'all. And on top of that, the main thing I was looking for was these racing seats right here, y'all. These performance seats, as they call them. But y'all, once I seen this white carbon fiber, I knew this is the one. I knew it, bruh. And with the white Alcantara on the side, the white suede, whatever y'all want to call it, y'all.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Look at the back seats too. Like, this car to me is like so aesthetically pleasing to me. I feel like it was so easy on the eye. But man, I'm gonna throw in a quick clip of my 43 interior. If y'all don't know, I used to have a C43 before I got the 63. That interior, I be reminiscing about it, cause it was that. If y'all watch my first ever video, that was the only video out with the 43, and it was red seat belts. It was red stitching all around. This is white. This is like white gray. This is like white grayish stitching. But that stitching, that interior, man, the red just made it so much more aggressive, and it was just so clean. But this one, I fell in love with it because it was so nice on the eye. But y'all let me know if y'all seen a C63 with. Y'all let me know if y'all think this is the cleanest C63 out on YouTube, y'all. Put this on Sport Plus though. Enough with the talk. Enough with the talk. I'm gonna give you a first gear pull. Whew. It's coming up. It's coming up though. Ooh wee. Y'all, and I have seen some C63s that are putting down crazy power. Like, most of the time that I see the 63s, they're like about 900 to the wheel, y'all. So imagine whipping this around with 900 to the wheel, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie though, these racing seats have messed up my bag, y'all. Like, they're cool, they look amazing. Y'all, if you're gonna daily your 63, think about it twice. I'm gonna tell y'all, and I ain't even gonna lie. People was telling me, like, I would watch reviews obviously, and they was telling me don't buy the racing seats if you're going daily, and I ain't listen. I didn't listen. It is what it is. I ain't listen. I'm in love with them though. Yeah. That